So hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a thumbnail in just 2 minutes. Okay, so first go at Canva.ai. You can find the link in my description. Okay, and select any thumbnail that you like. I like this thumbnail. Okay, now just click on customize the thumb template. Very easy. Now customize however you want this. Okay, first I'm gonna change the text. Okay, so I'm making the thumbnail for this video, so you can see. Okay, all AI tools percent Canva.ai. Okay, now this you can set however you want, and here. Okay, now you can add items in the images, like I wanna add a bell icon. Yeah, I found this. And now I take the logo of it, Canva, and save it. Now go on uploads and upload the file you just downloaded. Canva. Okay. Hell. You can download images from Google and upload it into this thumbnail, or if you already have an image, you can upload it here. Very easy peasy. Now here's the thumbnail. I will crop it a little bit. Yeah, that's good. That's indeed good. Yeah, that's good. Now it's an official logo of Canva. I will put it here, and here our thumbnail. Okay, now if you like this thumbnail and just wanna download it, click on share. Here is the option for download. I prefer JPG, and just download it. And here we go. Your thumbnail in 2 minutes are ready. Boom. So that's all about it, how you can make your thumbnail in just 2 minutes. And now if you like the video, you can subscribe it also. Thank you for watching.